Hi, so in this video, we're going to take up this challenge to develop the code that will generate the following output. Okay, so what do we see here? We see total of 10 rows, alright, and the first row is with stars, the second row or asterisk, second row is with the hex sign, and then again asterisk, hex sign, and so on. Alright, and we have 10 rows, okay, in total. So 5 will be the asterisk, 5 will be the hashtag sign. Alright, so we're going to develop the code to do this, alright, using nested for loops. Alright, so let's see how to get it done. So for nested for loops, basically we need two variables. Okay, the outer loop, okay, the outer loop will be for the number of rows. So since I have 10 rows, okay, I'm going to run it for 10 times. Okay, and for the inner loop, I also have 10 iterations of each character here. So either 10 iterations of the asterisk or 10 iterations of the hashtag sign. Okay, so I'm also going to run the inner loop, okay, for 10 times. Alright, now the only thing is the first row is asterisk, second row is hashtag, the asterisk, hashtag, and so on. Alright, so if you think of it in terms of the loop count, row 0 is asterisk, row 1 is hashtag, row 0 is row 0 is asterisk, row 1 is hashtag, row 2 is asterisk, row 3 is hashtag, and so on, which means that whenever it is a even number, it is asterisk. Whenever it's an odd number, okay, it is the hashtag. Alright, so that gives us the idea, correct? So all I need to do is to check whether I is an even number or odd number. Alright, so if I %2 equal to 0, this checks if this is the modulo operator. So when I divide by 2 and the remainder is equal to 0, this means it is a even number. Okay, so if it's an even number, I will print out the asterisk sign. Okay, else I will print out the hashtag sign. Okay, and after I've complete 10 iterations of the character, then I go to the next line. Alright, so that is basically what we need to do. So if I run the code now, okay, you can see the output. Okay, so 10 rows. For even rows is asterisk and the odd rows is the hashtag sign. Okay, so I hope this gives you an idea how to use nested for loops to create this kind of printout effects. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.